Thank God I got Mary Jane. Every day I just smoke. Inhale. As we inhale, back to the inhale. Inhale. Inhale.
Everything better with a bag of weed.
Masterpiece.
Shit. No bones.
No bones. Not a half a O, but a half a P. You fall down and you get up. I guess that's just how life works. Cause life hurt. Damn, just
Car blunts have made it so where I don't drop weed when I roll blunts.
It's like, 'cause you gotta be so precise, otherwise you're gonna be dropping some more nugs in there.
Yeah, and then you're driving and bumping and the air's on. It's like, oh fuck.
in my face and just smoke them all away. Every day I just smoke from this world I feel away. Thank God I got Mary Jane. Every day I just
thank life for the trees, thank life for the flame, thank life for the breeze, thank life for the water, and every other beautiful thing I can see. Thank life for the lessons learned, the blessings earned, and believing in me. And thank life for the chance
to roll my boat on down the stream.
But if life is a dream,
tell me why do I love so hard?
Why do I feel again when I lose a loved one and find myself lost in the cloud? Smoking that loud, it's a stress reliever. You can say I smoke too much.
I don't smoke enough, I be needing her.
Mary Jane, keep me sane. Mary Jane, keep a smile on my face. Mary Jane, fall for play. So I hope you know she
take me to space.
All I gotta say
is
she really be helping me. And you can find me smoking even if she wasn't healthy. It's love.
Yeah,
let's go, boy.
Master.
I just smoke them all away every day.